Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this large sized daisy flower, and I have used this flower on a sun hat. So let's get started. I am using these three colors of yarn balls, these two for flower and light green for leaf, and we will need tapestry needle, cutter, and I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project. So first of all, wrap the yarn around the fingers like this, and make a slip knot. Then start making chains: chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. So after making 5 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Now make chain 1 and chain 2. Then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop. Then pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the ring and draw a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. So this is our second double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and in this way make total of 20 double crochet stitches into the ring. So I have made 20 double crochet stitches into the ring. Now we would use this white color yarn for making petals for the flower. So join it with a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch and then make knot of these two starting and ending yarn strands 2 times and then cut them. Cut this starting yellow yarn strand also. After pulling it, now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, chain 10, chain 11 and then 12. So make total of 12 chains, and after that make 2 more chains. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the third chain from the hook and then draw a loop, and after that pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. So this is called our half double crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the second chain and draw a loop, then pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. Then go into the third chain and make a half double crochet in it. Then make half double crochet 4 into the fourth chain. Then a half double crochet into the fifth chain. then into the sixth one, seventh half double crochet stitch, eighth one, 9, 10, 11, and the last one is 12th. So we would make total of 12 half double crochet stitches into these 12 chains, and then we would just make a slip stitch into the same double crochet stitch like this, and our first petal for the daisy flower is ready. Now make 12 chains again, and after making 12 chains, make 2 more chains, 1 and 2, and again repeat the process of wrapping the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into the third chain and pull the yarn through 3 loops together to make half double crochet stitches in each of the chain. So now we would make total of 12 half double crochet stitches in these 12 chains also, to make the second petal of our daisy flower. If you want to make it in smaller size, you can just make half double crochet in the starting, and you can just make less chains like 8 or 10 for the petals. Then the flower would be made in smaller size also. Now we would make a slip stitch into the same double crochet stitch. So now you can see these 2 petals are ready. Now make 12 double crochet 12 chains, sorry, and after making 12 chains, we would again make 2 more chains, total of 14, and we would start working into the third chain, and in each of the chain we would make half double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the double crochet stitch here, which is the very next where we have made our slip stitch. So in this way we would make our petals in each of the double crochet stitch. 3 of them are made, and we would just complete in every double crochet stitch. So I have made all of the petals here. Now make a slip stitch into this starting place also. So pull the yarn and leave a long yarn strand. Now cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand, and you can see our flower is ready. These petals are just twisting because this flower is in larger size. Now with this light green color we would make our leaf. So wrap the yarn around fingers to make a slip knot. And now start making chains. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and then 15. So after making 15 chains, make one more chain, go into this second chain from the hook and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is our single crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the second chain and draw a loop, and then pull the yarn through these 3 loops together. This is our half double crochet stitch. Go into the third chain and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 3 loops together to make a half double crochet stitch, second. Now go into the third chain, pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Go into the next chain and make a double crochet in it also, which is the second double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into the next chain and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first, then through other 2 loops and then through last 2 loops to make a treble crochet stitch, which is also called a triple crochet. Now again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times, go into the very next chain and draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 first, then through other 2 and then through last 2 to make a treble crochet stitch. Now into the same chain we would make a treble crochet again, then again wrap the yarn around the crochet hooks, go into the very next chain and make a treble crochet in it like this. Now we would just repeat the process oppositely. So make a double crochet into the next chain, then into the next one also. We have 2 double crochet stitches here. Now on next 2 we would make half double crochet. So go into the next chain and make a half double crochet in it, then go into the next one and make a half double crochet into it, and then make a single crochet into the next chain, then make a slip stitch into the second last chain and again a slip stitch into the last chain. In these 2 chains we would make slip stitch. So one side of our leaf is ready. Now work on the opposite side, make a single crochet into the very first chain, then make a half double crochet in the stitch where we have made half double crochet on the opposite side, then make half double crochet second into the second side, then these are our 2 single crochet, 2 double crochet sorry, and we would make 2 double crochet stitches in these next 2 chains, and on the opposite side we have also made 2 double crochets in these chains. Now into the next one we would make a treble crochet stitch, and here we would make 2 treble crochet stitch, 1 and then 2, and onto the next one we would make a treble crochet like we have done on the other side, We have 4 treble crochets here in one stitch, 2 treble crochet stitches. Now in the next 2 stitches we would make double crochet, 1 and then 2. In the next 2 we would make half double crochet stitches, 1 half double crochet, and then 2 half double crochet, and here in the last stitch we would make a single crochet like this, and now make a single crochet here again, and then go into the first single crochet stitch here and make a slip stitch, pull the yarn. We would just leave a long yarn tail to attach this leaf to our hat. Cut this little bit starting yarn end, and our leaf is also ready. We would just join this leaf and the petals of flower on our hat. So this is our hat. We would use a yarn needle to attach this flower and leaf on this hat. First of all, we would join in the center, and then we would join these petals and then leaf. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel also, and press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye.